They told us we were going home tomorrow. It was the last morning I believed them. "17 days, Anna. You still fold everything as if Mama might inspect it."
Idle hands notice too much. Better to keep them busy.
Do you think the lake is still frozen? When we go home, I want to skate before anyone wakes.
You'll wake the whole house the way you skate.
You're thinking we should have run.
There was nowhere to run to.
They nailed it tighter last night. For our safety, the guard said. Do you believe him?
I believe we should keep busy. Come, sit down. You look tired.
Yes, I think I will.
Let me fix your hair for you.
Thank you. That would be nice.
The family stays in their rooms after dark tonight. No questions. You want me to be the monster. I was only a man with orders.
Eat, Oля. We keep our strength and our manners. That is all they cannot take.
The guards changed again this morning, Papa. New faces.
History will argue about me for 100 years. This morning I am only a father, watching the tea go cold.
Yes, tonight. See that the lower room is ready.
They are moving us somewhere safer tonight. Maybe a house with a real window.
Then we should pack warm things.
Mother sewed them in. Just in case we ever needed a new start. We packed for a journey. They let us believe in it. That was almost a kindness. Come down with us, Anna. Don't stay up here alone.
Not you. Wait here.
They told me to wait, so I waited. I am still waiting somewhere in that silence.